Hi guys. Women in our society have been sold an illusion. It's the lie that marriage and commitment can simply be put on hold while they're busy climbing the career ladder, and that there's always still gonna be a king at the end ready to swoop them right up. But things that sound too good to be true usually are. The idea that women can have the best of both worlds in career and relationship hardly even works as a life template for men, let alone women. And it's a track that's leading a lot of successful women to a miserable dating life in their later years. Here's the deal. A successful woman is not the same as a successful man, at least from the point of view of dating and relationships. I know you guys hear the term hypergamy a lot, and I know you guys wonder sometimes if women truly are naturally hypergamous. Women are naturally hypergamous, which means that they desire a man that's higher up in social status, money, and stature than themselves. Naturally, the higher up the ladder these women go, the fewer men they'll find they're at the top to date. And what they find after a decade or so at their career is that men don't really care about a woman's career success much anyway. In fact, it's been shown in surveys that for men, a woman that's really ambitious or career oriented doesn't factor above traits like beauty, loyalty, and youth. On the flip side though, being resourceful and ambitious is one of the most important traits that women look for in any man. And if you look at this discrepancy, it's clear why over 45% of women are expected to be single career women in the US by 2030. However, the number will be higher than that, mark my words. So why do I call these successful women the new incels? It's simple. Just as there's a class of lonely men today that have no women wanting to sleep with them, there will be a new class of women that are lonely just because there's no man good enough to be in a relationship with them. These are the career women working at high-end law firms or company boards who will yearn for a man that can match up and commit to them. But the twist is they will never find him and they will end up settling. Now add this to the fact that these career women aren't just trashy women looking to have meaningless sex with random guys. They actually desire a relationship. You may even find this class of women to be the most sexually deprived as well. It's said that women hold the card to sex and men hold the card to relationships and commitment. In that case, women that have become too successful for their own good may be stuck in between, not wanting to give up the card to sex before finding a worthy man that can actually give her the commitment that she's seeking. As the workforce steals more and more of their most exciting years for a relationship, a woman like this will usually also become increasingly desperate and frustrated, stuck in between as victims of their own success. And as expected, many of these successful women will at some point find themselves attracted to certain men in their lives, convinced by the hope that he could indeed be the one. And that's also what's likely to become their greatest source of heartbreak and regret, either by finding out what he truly wanted was to capitalize on her desperation, or that he's not the kind of man she imagined him to be. Either way, most career-oriented women today who live their life as if there's a pause button on their ability to have children, attract quality men, and build lasting relationships are soon to realize that there isn't one. There's no pause button on life. And a society like ours may be doing the greatest disservice to women today, which is selling them a lie instead of telling them the cold hard truth about how successful a life of work really is in the end. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.